Today we will discuss about Android emulators. An Android emulator is a software application that allows you to simulate an Android device on your computer. It's used by developers to test and debug Android apps without needing a physical device. There are two main types of Android emulators. Standard emulators. These emulators are included with the Android Studio development environment. They provide a wide range of virtual devices with different screen sizes, resolutions, and Android versions for testing purposes. Third-party emulators. These are emulators developed by other companies or individuals. They offer various features, such as better performance, compatibility with older hardware, or specialized features for gaming. Examples include Bluetooth, Geomotion, and Andy. Both types of emulators help developers create, test, and refine their Android applications before releasing them to actual devices. Android emulators serve several functions for developers and users. App development and testing. Developers can use emulators to test their Android applications on a variety of virtual devices, different configurations, screen sizes, and Android versions. This helps identify and fix issues before releasing the app. Debugging. Emulators allow developers to easily debug their apps by providing tools to monitor logs, track memory usage, and analyze performance, making it easier to identify and resolve bugs and performance bottlenecks. Cross-platform development. Emulators enable developers to create and test Android apps on different platforms like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, even if they don't have access to physical Android devices. Accessibility testing. Developers can use emulators to assess the accessibility of their apps for users with disabilities, ensuring that the app is usable by a wider audience. Device compatibility. Emulators help developers ensure that their apps work on a range of Android devices, preventing compatibility issues that might arise on specific hardware. Demo and presentation. Emulators are useful for creating presentations and demonstrations of Android apps without relying on physical devices, making it easier to showcase app features and functionality. App evaluation. Users can use emulators to evaluate apps before installing them on their devices. This can be particularly useful for testing apps in a controlled environment before deciding to keep or uninstall them. Gaming. OME emulators, like Bluetooth, focus on providing a gaming experience, allowing users to play Android games on their computers with enhanced graphics and controls. Screen recording and capture. Emulators can be used to capture screenshots and record videos of app usage, which can be helpful for creating promotional materials or tutorials. Overall, Android emulators play a vital role in the app development and testing process, enabling developers to create high-quality, reliable, and user-friendly applications for the Android platform.